Take it.
Take it.
Take it. Take it out.
Lesson 1.3. Add and edit content within Google Slides. You can add text, images, videos, and links within your Google Slides. You'll need to change the title for your presentation at the top, but you also need to include the title in the first slide of the presentation. Hover your mouse over the text area to include the title. If you don't need additional subtitle areas, you can always select the text box and hit delete on the keyboard. I'm going to undo this action because I am going to add a subtitle. To make the title larger in size, select and highlight the title, and then choose a different size. You can also bold, and you can change the font. Please be advised that if you are using a template, it is not recommended that you change the font type. Leave it as is to keep it consistent within your Google Slides presentation.